Hey guys, it's your girl Booya and welcome back to another video. For today's video, I will be swatching, finally, Squad Cosmetics Happy Pot Multi-Use Creamy Pots. And I'm here today at Fresh Start. This is Bacolod's go-to natural and organic restaurant. So dito ako magre-review and swatch, and of course, this is a place where I'll be doing my food test as well. Without any further ado, let's proceed to the Swatch Party. Okay guys, so as usual, I'll be rating the shades from 1 to 5. 1 being the lowest score and 5 being the highest. For the shade High School, I'm gonna give it a 2 just because although medyo may pagka-peach siya and I love peachy shades, parang nag-wash out siya sa akin. This is something na mas magbabagay sa mga tao na mas lighter sa skin color ko. So for me, although I like peachy shades, medyo nag-wash out lang talaga siya. So it's a 2 for me. Now for Campus Crush, this is somewhat of a soft apple kind of color. I'm not a fan of anything that's like apple red or apple pink or anything apple in shade. So for this shade, I'm gonna give it a 2. Now for the shade Topnotch, it is kind of a terracotta red-orange. And again, I'm not a big fan of anything red-orange also and terracotta. So I'm gonna give this a 2. There are a few times na bet ko yung mga terracotta, but this is not one of those moments. Prom Queen is another shade that's apple red in color. So again, not a big fan of that, but for sure, I know a lot of Morena friends and a lot of Morena Boo fam na gustong-gusto talaga yung apple red. So please guys, if you like apple red, go check it out pa rin. Now yung shade na Cheerleader, yung color ng Cheerleader, it reminds me of, alam mo yung mayonnaise tsaka yung ketchup na minix together. Parang pinkish na kind of weird pinkish color. Parang pink mayonnaise siya. Gusto ko pa rin siya somehow. I think I still need to get used to this kind of pink. So that's why I gave it a 3. College is like an everyday brick kind of color. Medyo 50-50 ako when it comes to brick shades. Again, I know a lot of Morena friends will love this because maganda naman talaga yung mga brick shades on them. And this is something also that I would recommend to them. But when I wear mga gantong shades, I kind of look mature. Hindi pa nag-resonate talaga yung gantong shade in my life. So that's why it's a 2 for me. seventh shade nila is the shade Muse. This is, I would say, somewhat of a powder pink or powder rosy pink na medyo warm. I'm gonna give it a 3 because may tendency siyang mag-wash out on my lips. I can sport naman lighter pinks than this, but somehow medyo weird siya because I think it's a tad bit brighter lang. So that's why it's a 3. Final shade is the shade that I'm wearing right now, and this is the shade Varsity. This is actually only the highest rating shade here. I rated it 4 because it reminds me of the Kadayawa na shade sa Lipinas na Color Matte lipstick. Now that's it guys for the rating of the shades. Let's proceed to the food test. So yun guys, kakatapos ko lang mag-swatch party and of course mag-food test dito sa Fresh Start. And what I ordered kanina is the tofu power ball. Tofu, ano ba ganit? Power ball, tsakto. Tofu power ball. Tofu power ball. What I ordered kanina is the tofu power ball. And of course, yung 5-a-day smoothie nila. Oh, by the way guys, if you're interested to know more about Fresh Start, ililink ko yung mga socials nila in the description box below. So for the performance review, I'm gonna base it on their claims sa kanilang product. So yung claims nila for their multi-use creamy pot or happy pots is that it is multi-use, pigmented, powder finish, lightweight, natural looking daw yung blush, and wearable yung shades. So first claim nila na multi-use, yes, absolutely yung product na to ay multi-use siya. Pero hindi ko lang siya na-try on my lids. I just tried one shade on my cheeks, which is Campus Crush. So you only need very little amount of product on your cheeks because napaka-pigmented talaga ng product na to. It's safe to apply a lot of color on your lips. But when it comes to applying your blush na, kailangan siyang i-build up slowly but surely. And now moving on to their second claim na pigmented. As I said kanina, yes, it is absolutely pigmented. One little application can go a long way. So you need to be careful in applying this on your cheeks because you wouldn't want your blush to be overpowering. Third claim nila is it has a powder finish. Now, I was actually shocked a little bit na it had that finish because I was expecting somewhat of a dewy-ish finish kagaya ng sa Careline na multi-pot. But this does have a powder finish which I'm absolutely here for. And usually yung mga multi-pots guys, they tend to grease up throughout the day. So it helps na meron siyang powder matte finish. Fourth claim nila, it is lightweight. And yes, I absolutely agree that it is lightweight. Kahit i-build up mo siya to get that full coverage color payoff, it will still give you that lightweight feeling on your lips. Next claim nila is natural looking blush. And I would only agree to this claim depending on how you apply it on your cheeks. Because if you're not careful, again, it will not look natural looking just because it's very pigmented, so you really have to be careful. You need to sheer out the product for it to be able to achieve that natural looking blush from within. Final claim nila is that wearable daw yung shades. And I absolutely agree naman that the shades are wearable. Yun nga lang, mababa lang yung rating ko for the shades because hindi ko preference most of the shades. Additional information nila is that you'll be getting 3 grams of product sa Happy Pot at an affordable price, which is 99 pesos. So that's it, you guys, for this video swatch party and review. Again, if you're planning to visit Bacolod but meron kang health or dietary restrictions, don't worry guys, because you don't have to eat inasal only when you come visit Bacolod. You can absolutely check out Fresh Start dito sa Barangay Pahanocoy. If you want here because of this vlog, make sure to tag me at Makeup by Booya. And of course, i-hashtag nyo na rin, #Booya made me go here. See you guys on the next video. Again, just remember, no hate, just love. Luwat, Barangay Pahanocoy. Barangay Pahanocoy. Health restriction or any dietary Sabat. Barangay Pahanocoy. Then I will be more about them. Or gusto niyo mang